Are your Windows apps broken by the Midas Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. As we prepare to fix Midas Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This DLL file is a database library associated with Borland, Embarcadero development tools. It provides the multi-tier database architecture services, Midas, needed to manage data packets in client-server applications. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The Midas Library DLL belongs to the Embarcadero, Borland, application bundle and is unique to that software. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Embarcadero, Borland, will restore this file along with its related binary components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Midas library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Using an incorrect or unverified version of the Midas library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing the Midas library and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored the Midas library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.